Hey everybody, I'm Rory. And we're gonna play sound effects.
Oh yeah, and I'm Dan too. I'm Dan.
It's a very popular game, and now we need a suggestion. What kind of suggestion do we need, Dan?
Applesauce!
Hey, what is our profession? Where are we working right now?
Applesauce!
Okay, we work in an applesauce factory, and the machine just broke.
Okay, we gotta finish all the applesauce first.
Okay,
we have a quota to
here.
fill. Do it by hand. All right, I'm gonna fill the reservoir.
Yeah. Is there ducks in there? What is that? Is that
No.
a duck? No, listen, let me just get my Hot Pocket out of the microwave quick, alright?
You're making a Hot Pocket now? I thought the power was out.
Alright. Okay. Oh, wait, the siren shut off. What are we doing?
Oh, I guess
still people
everything's
working
fine.
over there. I don't think they heard it.
All right, I'll use my megaphone.
They didn't seem to look. Alright. Oh, look, it's a kitten.
All right.
Oh my god! My leg!
Someone's having a baby in the next door. Here.
Listen, there's a lot of problems right now. We all have things to do.
Honey, pop it out. Here, pop it. Here, on 3, push. Oh.
Wait, I got one too.
Oh, what? That's a turtle. Shit. Oh, what?
You ate one?
I
Are they good?
I didn't know what that was.
You didn't know what it was?
Wait, what are we doing? The place is on fire. Look at it.
Put it out with the babies. All right, that fire's done.
Okay.
So we got to package all this up now.
Okay.
Get the duct tape.
We need. Okay. Here, I'll pull some off. Oh. Okay.
Okay.
All
right.
Now we
Okay.
Now what?
We got to label them. I'll get the labeler. All right, they're labeled.
Well, that was quick.
Yeah.
Oh no! Well, he's dead, so I guess we don't have to follow him
This is
anymore.
my mammoth.
And if we learned something new today, it is just one thing, and one thing only. Never, ever
Hurt your finger.
do something
Your
to
dad.
anger your dad.
Wow. Wow, that was not where I was hoping it was going to
Amen.
go.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Whoa!